God, oh my God, oh my God.
It's coming! It's gonna speed up until it hits 35 miles an hour right before impact. Dude, it is going quick.
It's just gonna derail, it's just gonna derail.
Here she comes! Let's see if it was all worth it. Wait! Oh, it derailed! Wait, I think it stopped!
Oh my God!
Wait, I've never seen something
Oh my